today. These are pretty old. These are from like 2 years ago. These are like their first prototype, I guess. These are lightning boxes. The second prototype is green, but these are literally the first. These are the last 6 old boxes I got. That Evolutions pack is not getting open, but everything else is. That Shining Fates pack is getting. I mean, that Shining Legends pack is getting open. Almost everything's getting opened in here except for Evolutions. So yeah, let's get to it, man. Start off with this one. Well, let's go. Let's see what has Shining. Let's do these two last. Everything else, let's just open it up. There's a lot of base set. This is all like Sun and Moon era. Oh, this one has one too. Okay, how about we do this? Let's go that. Let's do that. Let's get these out the way. All right. Oh, that fell down though. All right. Yeah, these are like Fairfield company right there, as you can see. Yeah, they're old though. This is all like beginning of Sun and Moon. Kind of, I guess. This is like towards the beginning, like team up era. Ooh, nice. We got a Brixton Charizard. Whoa, let me lower this down. Dang, I didn't lower it. Nice. It's kind of warped, but nice. We got a Brixton Charizard GX promo. This is cool, and it's in good condition. It's kind of warped, but still nice. Usually they give you a reverse holo. They usually don't give you this. That's wild. What are our pack selection? Oh, we got Evolutions. You're getting saved. I didn't even know that was in there. I'm gonna go this. All right. Cosmic Eclipse. You know, when that set came out, I didn't open anything from Cosmic Eclipse. That's wild. Darkness, Haunter, Lucamine. I already have full art. You, Kakuna, Houndour, Staryu, Jangamo, Shelmet, Salandit, Verse Hollow, and an Artillery non-hollow. What pack was this? Burning Shadows? I forgot. No, Sun and Moon. Corsola, Trumbeak, Energy Switch, Drowsy, Rowlet, Mullen Grimer, Sparrow, Gubbin. Hey, Gubbin and a Dugtrio Hollow. Yo, that's crazy. We got 2 Salandits back to back and 2 Grubbins back to back. Oh, I just ripped this pack like crazy too. Grass Energy, Great Catcher, Draganium Z, Dusclops, Pikachu, Stuffle, Ponyard, Litleo, Coughing, Kicktrot, and I don't know how to say his name either. And then Polion. But hey, that GX card was good. That's a good. I didn't even that was a pro. Wait, that's like the Ultra Big Box $100 promo card. It came with the Venusaur one. I think that's where it comes from. I don't think it's from any other promo. Let's see. Let's open this next one. What's in here? What are we gonna get in here? Ooh, we got another one. Nice. We got 2. How's the condition on this one? It's kind of more dinged up at the corner middle. Overall, still good. Warped, but still good. Okay, we have the same pack selection. Let's see who we're gonna go. Let's go like that. Yeah, let's go like that. Let's go like that. What is this? Steam Siege. Ooh. Oh, the Volcanion. Altart is a good card. That's a card I would want. What is this? 3 to the front? Yeah. Zermero. Greedy Cube. Greedy Dice. Drifloon. Meryl. Oshawott. Krogunk. Tangela. Dieno. Fletchling Reverse. And a Samurott non-hollow. Okay. Let's go with this bad boy. Burning Shadows has to bless me with something. Fighting Memory, Counter Catcher, Hakamo'o, Remoraid, Mankey, Jangamo, Carablast, Feebas, Lucamine Reverse, and a Rangaroo non-holo. Darkness Energy, Gloom, Seadra, Bodybuilding Dumbbells, Krogan, Togedemaru, Wimpod, Vulpix, Meowth, Metapod Reverse, and a Toxicroak non-holo. So these are all basically repackaged things. They're not really guaranteed much. If you get lucky, you're guaranteed something. But most of the time, you're not guaranteed much. Fairy Energy, Vaporeon, Tag Call, Delmise, Tepig, Alolan Sandshrew, Snowrunt, Coughing, Delibird, Sphere Reverse, and a Guzzlord Holo. So we had 2 GXs, 2 Holos. Not bad. What if these are all that promo card, bruh? I'm gonna be like, damn. What is this one? Ooh, Reshiram Charizard GX. Kind of dinked up at the top right there. But whoa. Nice. But overall in good condition. Some winding on the corners. Yeah, that's crazy. Is this nothing but Charizard promos in these? And throughout the years I haven't opened them? We got Ancient Origins. Okay. I didn't even know Ancient Origins was in this one. Ooh, these are nice. This is nice. I'm hyped. What if all these are Charizards, bro? Electric Energy, Potion, Spinda, Steenie, Psyduck, Litten, Cosmog, Ragnarola, Growlithe, Dratini Reverse, and Crabramino non-holo. Ancient Origins. What does Ancient Origins have that's good? That's a set I never opened. I never opened Ancient Origins. Fairy Energy, Wishful Baton, Metapod, Bodybuilding Dumbbells, Venipede, Horsey, Mudbray, Ledier, Hoot Hoot, Lone Vulpix, and a Dusknoir Holo. Let's go Ancient Origins, baby. The Cosmic Eclipse at the end. Last 3 packs are all have Shining Fates in them. I mean, Shining Legends, sorry. Three to the front, Ancient Origins. Sliggoo, Faded Town, Rotom, Relicanth, Inkay, Combi, Odishmite, Eevee, Malamar Reverse, and a Virizion Holo. 4 holos. 3 Tag Team GXs. Metal Energy, Chaotic Swell, Type Null, Island Challenge Amulet, Oddish, Rotz, Sandygast, Sphere, Cottony, Tag Call, and a Whimsicott non-holo. So are these last 3 gonna have Charizard too? I don't even know how much those are worth. These Charizard promos. I don't even know where the Reshiram and Charizard one's from. Oh, we got Raichu GX from Shining Fates, or is it Shining Legends? I don't even know. Okay, we're not opening you. Going like this. Marshadow. What does Marshadow have in store for us? Metal Energy, Soul Rock, Wishful Baton, Mount Lalanica, Alolan Rada, Porygon, Panpour, Esper, Pansage, Panseer, and Crabramino, the fighting one. Alright. Open this bad boy up. What's in this one? What's the rarest card in this set? I don't even know. Grass Energy. Lana's Fishing Rod. Huh. Vaporeon. Absol. Pancham. Delibird. Tangela. Eevee. Duskull. Lunala. And Lycanroc Holo. This is Shining Legends. Metal Energy, Warp Energy, Electro, there's something in the back, Fultzo, Ivysaur, Quillfish, Shroomish, Litten, Larvesta, Volcoron, and a Mewtwo GX. Nice. Oh yeah, I should put you over here because you're different. Wait. Volcania. Sorry, not Volcorona. Ooh, Mega Sharpedo EX. And in fantastic condition. No scent, no whitening or anything. Nice. It's an EX card I don't have. I think it's from a box too. Is he from a $100 box? I'm not sure. Okay. Steam Siege. Nothing fantastic so far, but it feels good that I'm getting these like promos that I've never heard of before or seen. I mean, I've heard of them, but I've never seen that. Some of them. Sheldon, Persian, Fungus, Nidoran, Oshawott, Ponyard, Tangela, Larvesta Reverse, and a Dredagon non-holo. Metal Energy, Emolga, Grumpig, Chinchino, Staryu, Ghastly, Aeron, Alolan Geodude, Weedle, Sea of Nothingness, and Hydreigon. Non-holo. Alright. Cosmion, Clay, Kricketune, Alolan Sandshrew, Snorunt, Coughing, Delibird, Swirlix, Paplitoad, and Slam. Wait, what's his name? Paulo Slam? Paulo Slam. Paulo Slam. I really gotta say their names properly. Alright. Darkness Energy, Liepard, Volcarona, Pokemon Catcher, Stunfisk, Bulbasaur, Golett, Voltorb, Breloom, Pikachu, and a Manaphy Holo. Alright, last one of here. This is basically the end of this era. This is over. I had to open these up eventually. I have too much. It's too cluttered in my basement right now. Oh, we got another one. Nice. Ooh. Breakpoint first. Okay, we're going to do this. Breakpoint Lost Thunder last. Okay. Psychic's Third Eye. Electrive. Bayleaf. Chikorita. Shinx. Numel. Kricketot. Rattata. Drowsy. Reverse and Dragalge. Holo. Dragalge. Oh, they need to bring that Pokemon. That Pokemon hasn't. I haven't seen that Pokemon in the latest sets lately. Fairy Energy, Misty and L'Oreal, Golduck, Pangoro, Cottony, Rowlet, Phantom, Alolan Grimer, Magnemite, Avipom, and Tag Team Rayquaza, Dialga, and Arceus. It would have been better if they had Dialga. I mean, Giratina. But alas, I think that trio suits well too. Because, yeah. Fighting Energy, Electabuzz, Spell Tag, Cascoon, Litleo, Yamask, Skidoo, Chansey, Wurmple, Slowpoke Reverse, and a Suicune Holo. What? That was a green code card. That's a holo, right? Yeah. So if you haven't noticed, Shining Legends always has a hit in it. Yeah. The rare cards are the Shinings, of course. Floatzel, Warp Energy, Howl, Larvesta. Oh crap! I think I showed it. Minimum, Stunfisk, Breloom, a double Breloom, and a Shaman Holo. So overall, we got how many holos do we get? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, let me just do this real quick. Oh, dang, we got more holos than anything. Whoa. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 holos and 2 GXs. Got 2 evolutions back up there. We have 3 of these guys. I have little dinks at the top because they were in like little things. We have this one right here. We have a Sharpedo. We have a Pikachu. And then, yeah. Oh, dang, you fell down. But yeah, that's it. I mean, those were the lightning boxes. They're pretty old. Yeah, I was surprised. Usually when I open them in my older videos, they had like a reverse holo in them. Now they have promos, which is weird. I didn't even know that. I wonder what the green. I think the green ones have more reverse holos than anything. But I mean, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, man, because I have fun. We opened some Shining Legends. I only opened one Shining Legend. I got a Shiny Mew, but that was like when I had COVID and stuff. But anyway, I hope you guys like this video. Hope you guys have a good day. And yeah, I'll see you later. Peace.